There were 58,097 new COVID cases, 15,389 recoveries, and 534 new deaths. The daily positive rate is at 4.18%. Mumbai had 10,086 new cases, a 34% increase from the previous day. From January 6, the night curfew in Uttar Pradesh will be extended from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. rather than 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. In West Bengal, shopping malls, workplaces, and the metros will operate at half capacity. Delhi has a night curfew in effect from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Schools, theatres, gym, auditorium, assembly halls, spas, yoga center, amusement parks, and water parks are all closed. In Haryana, offices, restaurants, pubs will operate at half capacity. Markets in Jharkhand will shut at 8 p.m. Night curfew in Punjab from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Indian Journo is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journo to stay updated with the latest news.